Welcome to the EMS Academy, a place where we empower minds with English, math, and science. Before we begin today's inspiring lesson, subscribe to the EMS Academy so you never miss out on powerful learning videos that transform lives. Share with friends and help us build a smarter, stronger community. Your excellence begins here. Great to have you on board, and thank you for subscribing. Let's jump back into our journey through English tenses. Previously, we explored the three main types and 12 essential categories of tenses. If you missed it, be sure to watch part 1 first. It lays the foundation for everything ahead. Now, let's build on that knowledge and dive into the next exciting part of the lesson. As always, Swahili translations are included to support your learning. Our goal: to help you learn smart, write with clarity, and speak with confidence. Let's go! Today's focus: mastering the verb to be in all 4 present tense forms. We're going to uncover how the verb to be is conjugated in 1. Present, simple tense. 2. Present, continuous tense. 3. Present perfect tense. And 4. Present perfect, continuous tense. This is a core verb. Understanding how it works across tenses is key to building fluent, confident English. Let's dive in and make it simple, practical, and powerful with Swahili support every step of the way. Here is a conjugation of the verb to be in the present simple tense. I am, you are. He, she, it is. We are, you are, they are. Let's practice with examples. I am. For example, I am a winner. You are. For example, you are ready. He, she, it is. Examples: he is a boy. She is happy. It is a cow. We are. For example, we are students. You are. For example, are you serious? They are. For example, soldiers are brave. Next, let's conjugate the verb to be in the present continuous tense. I am being. You are being. He, she, it is being. We are being. You are being. They are being. Let's practice with examples. I am being. For example, I am being kind. You are being. For example, you are being stupid. He, she, it is being. Examples: he is being stubborn. She is being adamant. It is being fed. We are being. For example, we are being punished. You are being. For example, are you being punished? They are being. For example, soldiers are being trained. Now let's conjugate the verb to be in the present perfect tense. I have been. You have been. He, she, it has been. We have been. You have been. They have been. Let's practice with examples. I have been. For example, I have been kind. You have been. For example, you have been happy. He, she, it has been. Examples: he has been fine. She has been well. It has been a beautiful day. We have been. For example, we have been honest. You have been. For example, have you been okay? They have been. For example, teachers have been helpful. Finally, let's conjugate the verb to be in the present perfect continuous tense. I have been being. You have been being. He, she, it has been being. We have been being. You have been being. They have been being. Let's practice with examples. I have been being. For example, I have been being patient all the time. You have been being. For example, you have been being a great friend to me. He, she, it has been being. For example, he has been being very helpful. She has been being honest. It has been being a challenging experience. We have been being. For example, we have been being supportive. You have been being. For example, you have been being responsible students this term. They have been being. For example, they have been being excellent role models. Well done. You've just learned and mastered the core conjugation of the verb to be across all present tense forms: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. This foundation is key for mastering both active and passive voice. If you are not fully confident, no worries, rewatch this tutorial and start practicing now. Want to keep learning offline and master English tenses and other grammar essentials? Get your copy of Dr. Libe's powerful books, A Simple Guide for Building Your English Grammar Foundation, Book 101, and A Simple Guide for Building Your English Language Mastery, Book 1. Call 0745-380-380 or email drlibe@gmail.com. Learn smart. Write and speak with confidence. Thanks for watching the EMS Academy tutorials. This is just the beginning of an empowering learning journey. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on powerful lessons on English, math, and science. Share with your friends too. More knowledge, more growth, more success, only at the EMS Academy, where your excellence begins.